road infrastructures remain an indispensable asset for rural communities. In this local government, the conditions of the roads have received less attention from the necessary authorities, creating more distress for inhabitants, especially farmers. It is difficult for vehicles to navigate the road, making the transportation of food products to the market ineffective.
Well, as a matter of fact, in time past, the road has been very bad, very bad, to the point that you can hardly apply the road. For what they have actually done to make us to be able to apply it to this extent, I still want to appreciate the World Bank, I want to appreciate EU and the federal government of Nigeria, Delta State, for how they have helped so far.
It's a bad road before that when rainy season, people don't normally pass from this road. The road was just flooded with water, even the houses everywhere. But since the creation of the road, government came in and they supervised the road. They saw that the road was bad. Now the road is good now. So we that lives around this area, we appreciate the World Bank, the SEEFOR, and the Delta State government for making it possible for the road to be good for us to pass.